So the first question is, read the following statements and choose correct statements. Euchromatin is loosely packed chromatins. So this is right. NCERT में भी दिया हुआ है loosely packed euchromatics. So this is right. Heterochromatins is transcriptionally active. This is wrong because it is inactive as it is shown over here. And the third question is, the third option is, histone octamer is wrapped by negatively charged DNA in nucleosome. So it is right, the negatively charged DNA is wrapped around a positively charged histone octamer. So this is also right. So the fourth option is, histone are rich in lysine and arginine. So this is right as it is shown over here. Histone are rich in lysine and arginine. So this is right. A typical nucleosome contains 400 BP of DNA helix. This is wrong because it contains 200 BP. As it is shown over here, a typical nucleosome contains 200 BP. So the right option is A, C, D. That is B. Option B. So the second question is, if the length of a DNA molecules is 1.11 meters, what will be the approximate number of DNA molecules? So the answer is 3.3 into 10 to the power 9 BP. The third question is, complete the flow chart on central dogma. So इसमें पहले रेप्लिकेशन होता है, उसके बाद ट्रांसक्रिप्शन से mRNA बनता है, फिर ट्रांसलेशन से यहाँ प्रोटीन बनता है. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज़ डी, विच इज़ पहले रेप्लिकेशन होगा DNA का, उसके बाद फिर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन से mRNA बनेगा, उसके बाद फिर ट्रांसलेशन से प्रोटीन बनेगा. The fourth question is, if adenine makes 30% of DNA molecules, what will be the percentage of thymine, guanine and cytosine in it? So यहाँ adenine का जब 30% है तो thymine का भी 30% होगा and the guanine and cytosine का होगा 20%. So answer is this. So the fifth question is, which one of the following statements about histone is wrong? Histone carry positive charge in the side chain. This is right. Histone are organized to form a unit of 8 molecules. This is also right. The pH of histones is slightly acidic. This is wrong. So the answer is this only. The sixth question is, which of the following statement is correct? Adenine pair with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds. Adenine pairs with thymine through 1 hydrogen bond. Adenine pair with thymine through 3 hydrogen bond. Adenine does not pair with thymine. So answer is adenine pair with thymine through 2 hydrogen bond. दिस इज़ करेक्ट आंसर. सो जो एडेनिन होता है वो 2 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड से कनेक्ट होता है थाइमीन में, और जो ग्वानिन होता है वो 3 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड से साइटोसिन में कनेक्ट होता है. So the seventh question is, if the distance between 2 consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer and the total number of base pairs of a DNA is double helix in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 BP, then the length of DNA is approximately 2.2 meter. This is the right answer. The eighth question is, purine found both in DNA and RNA are AG, adenine and guanine. Ninth question is the association of histone H1 with a nucleosome indicates that DNA replication is occurring. The DNA is condensed in a chromatic fiber. This is the right answer. The 10th question is in sea urchin's DNA, which is double standard, 17% of bases were shown to be cytosine. The percentage of the other 3 bases expected to be present in this DNA are, so यहाँ cytosine 17 है तो guanine भी 17 होगा, and the rest is A and T. Adenine and thymine is 33%. The 11th question is, which is very important, जो हमें हर साल मतलब बार बार पूछा जा रहा है. The diagram shown an important concept in the genetic implication of DNA. Fill in the blanks A to C. सो यहाँ पहले होता है रेप्लिकेशन, उसके बाद फिर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन से mRNA बनता है, ये चीज़ एकदम याद रखना है. उसके बाद फिर ट्रांसलेशन से प्रोटीन बनता है. उसके बाद ये प्रपोज किसने किया था, तो ये प्रपोज क्रिक जी ने किया था. फ्रांसिस क्रिक ने किया था. द ऑप्शन इज़ ए. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये 2013 में भी पूछा गया था, ये 2021 में भी पूछा गया था, और ये कर्नाटक के एग्ज़ाम के 2013 में भी पूछा गया था. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Guys, if you want more video like this, so subscribe my channel and don't forget to like.